Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best hard water shower cleaner is probably one of the most essential tools for maintaining a sparkling clean bathroom, tackling stubborn mineral deposits and soap scum that regular cleaners just can't handle, ensuring your shower enclosure looks as good as new and preventing long-term damage to surfaces. Number 5. Bioclean Hard Water Stain Remover 20.3 ounces. Tired of stubborn hard water stains ruining your surfaces? Introducing Bioclean Hard Water Stain Remover, your ultimate solution for a sparkling clean home. Its powerful formula works quickly to dissolve even the most persistent mineral deposits. Simply apply, wait a moment, and wipe away for a brilliant shine. This versatile cleaner is safe to use on a variety of surfaces, including glass, tile, chrome, and porcelain. Restore the beauty of your bathroom and kitchen with ease. Each bottle contains 20.3 ounces of our effective stain remover, ensuring you have plenty to tackle all your hard water challenges. Say goodbye to unsightly stains and hello to a cleaner, brighter home. Choose Bioclean for a hassle-free and effective cleaning experience. What we like? This cleaner tackles tough hard water stains effectively. Its biodegradable formula is a great choice for eco-conscious consumers. If you're looking for a powerful yet environmentally friendly option, this is the one for you. What people say. This definitely works better with the doors already wet. You don't need a lot of product. A quarter-sized amount did one entire door, inside and out, and my doors look almost brand new. After use, the water doesn't stay on the doors like it used to. There's barely any drops to squeegee after a normal shower. Removed 6 years of hard water stains from glass showers doors in seconds. This one works, without the elbow grease or noxious fumes. Very easy to use, works quickly on slick, even surfaces, like glass. The plastic gaskets around the shower door, which I used to just replace regularly, look brand new. Very eco-friendly and safe as well. Number 4. Stardrops The Pink Stuff Miracle Bathroom Foam Cleaner 750 ml. Tired of stubborn bathroom grime? Discover the cleaning power of the Pink Stuff's Miracle Foam Cleaner. It's designed to tackle your toughest bathroom messes with ease. This powerful foam effortlessly cuts through soap scum and limescale. Achieve a sparkling clean finish on your baths and tiles without any streaks. Say goodbye to dull surfaces. Our formula ensures a brilliant, streak-free shine that will make your bathroom gleam. It's the miracle solution you've been waiting for. From soap scum to limescale, this cleaner is formulated to handle it all. It works hard so you don't have to, leaving your bathroom looking pristine. Experience the difference with this 750 ml bottle of cleaning magic. It's the perfect addition to your cleaning arsenal for a consistently spotless bathroom. What we like? Experience a miracle clean with this versatile bathroom foam. It leaves surfaces sparkling and streak-free, making your bathroom look brand new. If you desire a multi-surface cleaner that delivers a brilliant shine with minimal effort, consider this product. What people say. The tub and shower wall is sparkling clean and it smells nice too. It doesn't have a strong odor like other cleaners do. Other than doing what it says it would do, the top selling point of this over other cleaners is that there are no toxic fumes. Absolutely incredible, it worked through the scale and grime that had built up over like 5 years. Nearly effortless, it says to use a damp cloth. I used a brush instead and it didn't take much effort at all to clean the entire shower. Extremely easy to use and clean up was a breeze, barely any time at all. Number 3. Rain-X X-Treme Clean Shower Door Cleaner. Tired of stubborn soap scum and hard water stains? Our advanced formula provides an extreme, deep clean for your shower doors, leaving them sparkling like new. It's specially formulated to tackle tough buildup like calcium, lime, and even rust stains. Say goodbye to unsightly marks and hello to pristine glass. Using it is simple and straightforward. Just apply and wipe away the grime for a brilliant shine with minimal effort. Achieve the best results when preparing your shower doors for our water repellent treatment. This cleaner ensures a perfectly smooth surface. Experience a truly sparkling shine on your glass shower doors. This cleaner is designed to restore clarity and brilliance. This powerful cleaner is specifically designed for glass surfaces. It effectively removes dirt and buildup without damaging your shower doors. What we like? This cleaner is specifically designed for glass shower doors. It effortlessly removes soap scum, hard water buildup, and lime stains, leaving glass pristine. If your main concern is maintaining crystal clear shower doors and preparing them for a water repellent treatment, this is your ideal solution. What people say. This product is impressive. The first set of shower doors came clean with one application, and was followed with the Rain-X shower door water repellent. The doors are crystal clear once again. This stuff works amazingly. I have only applied once in a month and it is still keeping my shower glass much cleaner than usual. I would definitely recommend. It is pretty simple and really get it clean in 1 to 2 attempts. Will definitely recommend to my friends. Number 2. Lifeproof Ceramic Coating Spray Kit. Discover the ultimate solution for your kitchen and bath surfaces. This innovative kit provides a powerful ceramic coating for lasting protection. Achieve a stunning, showroom shine that revitalizes your countertops and sinks. It's designed to bring out the best in your surfaces. Forming a durable barrier, it seals your surfaces against daily wear and tear. Enjoy peace of mind with enhanced protection. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and everyday grime. This coating actively repels messes, making cleanup a breeze. Keep your kitchen and bath looking pristine for longer. It's the smart way to protect your home's most used areas. Applying this protective layer is simple and quick. Experience long-lasting results that maintain the beauty of your home. What we like. Achieve a brilliant shine that lasts with this protective coating spray. It seals and protects various kitchen and bath surfaces, repelling stains and grime. If you're seeking a way to make future cleaning easier and keep your surfaces looking newer for longer, this product offers excellent protection. What people say. Water seems to beat off the shower door and walls, so all I need to do is give it a quick squeegee after my shower. Makes cleaning the shower so much easier now. The results are incredible and the application process is a breeze. Just a quick spritz then an easy wipe down with the provided microfiber cloth. No rigorous buffing or polishing, just a quick wipe down. Number 1. CLR Brilliant Bath Foaming Bathroom Cleaner Spray. Tired of tough bathroom grime? Introducing a powerful foaming cleaner designed to tackle dirt and soap scum with ease. This versatile spray works wonders on toilets, baths, showers, sinks, glass, and stainless steel. Achieve a brilliant shine on all your bathroom fixtures. Its foaming action lifts and dissolves dirt, making cleaning less of a chore. Enjoy a truly sparkling bathroom with minimal effort. Experience a refreshing scent that leaves your bathroom smelling clean and inviting. This pack provides excellent value with 2 large bottles. For a consistently clean and fresh bathroom, look no further. It's the perfect solution for maintaining a spotless space. What we like. The foaming action of this cleaner provides a deep clean throughout your bathroom. It's safe for use on toilets, baths, showers, sinks, glass, and stainless steel. If you need a reliable, all-in-one bathroom cleaner with a refreshing scent that tackles various surfaces, this pack of 2 is a fantastic value. What people say. My favorite cleaner for the bathroom. We have hard water with lots of calcium and lime buildup, ugh. Very difficult to remove, but this product is a miracle worker for me. This cleaner stands out for its light, pleasant scent and streak-free finish, especially on glass and metal. The formula works quickly on tough stains like soap scum and hard water deposits, often requiring only minimal scrubbing. This worked great, it cleans everything great. My shower door looks like there is no glass in it, that's how clean it did. My tiles and shower floor is so shiny. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.